Alright, I'm just showing you the perfect mount for the Mercedes AMG C63 or C63 CLA. You know, the smaller interior Benzes or whatever car you may have. And it's magnetic as well, so, and it also works great if you decide to use it for your own vent, you know, for these vents that have the large plate in here where it can't really clip around. It actually grabs it pretty damn good. So, but this is a style of it right here, as you can see. It's but it also uses this here, which is a adhesive, but it's easy to install. Pretty much you just get your cleaning white, you clean the surface here, and then it comes with this adhesive clear 3M type tape backing that goes onto the back of your phone, and you can put this metal plate which attaches to this magnet here. See? Boom. It's on there. And that's what keeps it on your phone and keeps it attached sitting up here. So that's what I'm going to be installing. And it also comes with this piece as well, which is another magnet I guess you can use for something else. So that's cool. That's great. See, it says make your pop sockets grip compatible with Magic mounts. So people with pop sockets, you can use that right there, and it can work with Magic mount as well. But this is how it's meant to go right there. See how it's, you put the magnet inside of your case and then it sticks to it like that. So before adhering it to my phone, I'm gonna try that out and we're gonna see how it works. So stay tuned. Let's see how it goes. All right, so as you can see, I stuck the metal plate. I placed it behind my cell phone as such, right as you see in this picture here. So if I have mine going horizontal opposed to vertical, because my case is a split case, so I have it right above this line here, right going across there. And as you can see, it sticks, but it's not strong at all. See how it's sliding off? So I can imagine driving down the road, they're doing the same thing, you know, just flying off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the alternative method that they have, which is I'm going to use this clear backing, and as you can see, it goes on the foam as per instructions say right there. See? Foam on the bottom, clear tape, and metal bracket. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. So okay. Observe. Alright, I've already cleaned the back surface of my phone. It comes with a cleaning wipe. Be sure that you clean all surfaces, that you're going to be using something that's adhesive to attach to it. And now we're going to go ahead and take this out. It comes with 2 pieces of tape for the removal of the adhesive protective. What's up, son?
My baby was crying because he wants to go outside, bro.
Your little brother?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. What are you doing now?
He's crying.
Tell Cameron to put him on some clothes.
Okay, bro. Peace out.
Peace, bro. That there is my 3-year-old. Oh, okay. So here's a sticky side over here. So now I'm going to apply this to my phone. I'm going to be sure to center it as careful as possible. Huh? What? What car? Hold on, it's charging up. Alright, so as you can see, I have my clear film here on the back, which is where we're going to apply the metal plate, which is going to be the attractive surface for the magnet. So be sure to place this. And it's slightly oversized, allowing you room to maneuver and place it. So you don't have to worry about being perfect.
Hey, bro.
As you can see there.
Hey, bro. This is...
And I applied it lightly so I can
Daddy,
move
what is this, bro?
Move it around just a tiny bit.
Hey, bro, what's this, bro?
That's for my lights.
Hey, can I turn this on?
So I have that on. Hold on, Daddy. Making a YouTube video. See? You want to say hey?
What's up?
Right there, that's my wife. Hey, what's up, boo? Alright, so we apply the case like so.
Well,
Yeah, I'm at home. I'm putting this.
you got too many wheels to do, bro. You know what's super much?
Oh, wow. Alright, let me check. Alright, so as you can see, guys, that's how you place it. The magnet is now attached, and the case goes like so. And that's not going anywhere. And you're able to maneuver it. Okay, let me check. Like so. Like so. Oh wow, look at that. It came off. Let me check. Alright, YouTube. As you can see, don't use this. This doesn't stick at all like it should. All you need to do is apply the metal magnetic plate or the metal plate directly to your case, and that's all you need to do. It fell out my hand onto it and it was too late, but I applied it somewhere crooked, but it'll be okay. And that's all to it. That's all she wrote. And I can still use my little console here if needed. I got cup holders over here, but my main concern is being able to use my radar detector. So, and I can still apply that in here like so. But I would like to wire it up because I want to be able to close this all together. So that's probably something I'm going to see about doing ASAP. It's probably getting this baby hardwired, or maybe hardwire in me an external cigarette adapter somewhere on the side where I can plug my stuff up out the way and be able to leave this closed. So I'll see about that. But in the meantime, I just wanted to come to you, share this video with you, show you what you can do. In case you're wondering or interested in this mount, it's sold at Walmart. I bought this one from Best Buy. I'm about to go take it back, but this is a magnetic wireless charger, but this thing is too big and bulky. I don't need all this. I just need something simple. That's what it looks like there. I mean, it comes with the charger, the cable, and all kind of stuff, like 50-something bucks, but this here is only like, let's see exactly how much it costs. This one here, magnetic mounts, $14.26. So you can't beat that at all. So that's what we got. So hey, this is your boy Kurt A. Roll coming to you with another video. Hopefully it was informative enough to get you information you needed. But until then, This is your boy Kurt A. Roll, and I'm out, baby. Let's take a look, though. That's what you got here. Huh?
Daddy, what's this instrument?
Daddy Superman shades. Alright, peace.